So, andito tayo ngayon sa Tuscany Private Estates in McKinley Hill to check a new foreclosed condo unit. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit. 64.5 square meters. Loft type po siya. And the regular price is around 12.1 million. Discounted price is around 10.2 million. This is available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment and 80% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. So yung pinaka bedroom area niya nasa taas. And then dito yung living and dining area niya and bathroom. So ito yung kitchen nyo. Over and under cabinets. Yan. And then ito yung bathroom. Complete fixture. This is as is where is upon turnover. So lahat ng movables inside this unit kasama na po siya sa sale. And as you can see, medyo umangat na yung tiles dito sa baba. Wala kasing nakatira dito for how many years. So ganyan po talaga, nag-aangatan yung tiles. And siguro sa pagkakagawa rin. Pero maganda rito yung view nyo. Vast greeneries, di ba? Ganda. Natatakpan na yung American Battle Monument. So this is Tuscany Private Estate, Tower 6, 4th floor, within McKinley Hill, Fort Bonifacio, Taguig City. Malapit lang tayo sa Venice Piazza Mall. Walking distance. And then dito sa taas yung bedroom area. Meron tayong built-in cabinets. And then may mattress ng kasama dito. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. This is below market value, around 160,000 per square meter. And it looks like hindi po siya nagamit ng previous owner. Kasi meron pang plastic cover tong handrail, no? Paakyat. Then yung mga gamit, nakabox pa. Tulad nito. Itong La Germania niya, ayan, hindi nabuksan. Yung ref. Hindi rin nagamit. So lahat ng movables, furniture, appliances, kasama po yan sa sale. And ang maganda talaga dito yung view niya. Unobstructed. Very nature na nature ang atake dito. Ang ganda ng view nyo. Diba? So again, if you are interested to schedule a property showing with us, just message us directly.
dahil nga dito sa dito. Kung walang waiting,